Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful earring. I used pearls and purple color crystals to make it. I have a request at the beginning of the video. Please watch the video until the end. I hope you like this earring design. At the beginning of the video, I will take 2 pieces 6 mm pearls. Then I will continue to add pearls one by one. Each pearls are 6 mm. Once the chain is made of 5 pearls, now we will continue to add 6 mm pearls using the needle. For the above chain, we've used a total of 5 pearls. To extend the chain just below it, we will use 4 pearls and each pearls of 6 mm. To make the chain below it, we will use 3 pieces 6 mm pearls. We will make this earring in a very simple process. Hope you all like it very much. Crystal. Now we will use 5 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. This time we will use 7 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearls. This time we will use 9 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. This time we will use 7 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. Now we will use 5 pieces of 6 mm pearls and one 10 mm crystal and one 5 mm pearl. Now we will put the ear stud in the earring using glue gun. Please friends, like and comment and let us know how you like our video, and subscribe and support our jewelry channel DiyArtiePie.